abrabo akwantu dwumadie so enen so eri ehia kwan sonko so and many sia nana sikedwa. Yes, one of the finest sia me say dan de nyina me ka say wado asuko ewo honhom ene honamani yare ben honhom yare ben ena e hawo honamani yare ben na e hawo ne de na enye nkyerehye no nko a na so like I say eye menim say men kan say tot ni nyina owo bebia oginam eji say wan ba na so ya na say eji say wan fa ne na ma na wan fre na woni ne ending komo dwumadi abrabo kwanto dwumadi e ba wakwam Sundays and Wednesdays Elohim Kingdom Temple General Overseer Nana Sikedwa ena oye meka say panyinia oda asafonano Elohim Kingdom Temple Nana Sikedwa ena the mini edi ehia na ansa na mesere say wo hwe want the video so wherever you find yourself bomoni say wo be share dwumadi no afen so wo call YouTube one ma bomoni am wo YouTube no yepema sem bebre Facebook ni TikTok no yepema sem bebre we say mo follow ye no na mo like it na afen so mo comment it. The most important aspect is that we are building a community, we are building a fan base. Community without you and your community. And it's bomoni asa oba subscribe to your YouTube channel no. Now what follow your Facebook and a Facebook TikTok. Nana Sikedwa TV. Nana Sikedwa TV. Obetumi bomoni ano fa number no 0245699835 024025699835 yes. Energy drink boy Dumantino is speedy and is speedy what I say yes no and menako I mean na akwaba sonko na and then so yemfa ensha nkomatwetwe na ncha se nkomatwetwe no destiny we are still on destiny. The reason being is destiny ade a enya de ketwa na shebre ene emunsensem enya sam ketwa se wo so dae se wo ba asase we so se wo be adwuma even wadidie mu wonnam ni wadidie mu wo dae mu ene se wonya ajapade wo dae mu na wonya sika wo dae mu ni nyina no enkombra nyina no decoded na mama ti ase se adesua yesu ya na se bibia bia decoded se wabrabo ekoyie wo asase so na wani gi wo ho na obusua wo ho enkyere wo ne wabusua motimi ekoba edidi nom ma eso afoforo so a coded coding wo oso ahimem asa na wo ba asase so obi so ho no ma na brabo no aye bisibisi basa enye nipa no mfom so a ni nyina no coded how ne amane abebese ni nyina wo abrabo no ya coding na aba na ansa na no wanhu kwan na there is a path that path wanhu sa kwan na na ama niema akwachewachew na how ne amane yare ni ohia abanchero na we ena ende ye di nkomo afa ho ya na no ye di nkomo I think that this is the 4th episode or something of the sort. Now it's about destiny, personal destiny, destiny according to your color, destiny according to your birth. Send a dan nyina ye no nano ye buy ye destiny according to your birth and your color. Yenye recap nana me ma akwa basonko na yenye recap of what we did last week.
Yeah.
Nyamekese opanyi
na mpacho ho ye die
nyankopon adaroma na nanu madaroma me na namu so ka ho me ho ye ba
ewiase obi ba onyom osi obi bibi na so wani a bonabaso obi bibi na eye papa ma so amanamo Thomas Kefrin pon ba onyom bi osi se obi eye bibi ma wa na wo papa bi a faka na fayi na ye
right
na ye na nanom so enyo omwanki ni baby ti
that's right
enyo omwanki ni baby ti na
enyo omwanka ye ni baby ti ni baby ti na
ye bibi a ye nka omne fa kakra nto form
that's right
ye no ma ye nka omne fa kakra nu form asase ya ni twedi ampon so umen nka no da ye nana ani nyankopon
that's right
nti na ye nana no ka to se ye fra na
nyame
so enyo nana ndimi go fra nana mani
that's right
and it's the Nyankopon ase. Me ada ye nana no mu a omo bo abrabo kronkron bo abrabo tenane. Enya ahimie eni da pade ni apam kronkron to ho ma ye.
Ejayen asana omo fi asase
right. nti ye ka se da nan ma se ma obi adwunu nya no kese na
asa ye de abosonson for na dabi
wo a wutie wo be
wa wo hwe ye
wo be nyini obenya 90 years
obenya 100 years
obenya 100 years obesisi adan beton sa so be yemfu obeto cars
obewo ma
odo mo bekọ abrochire bi bekọ university bi be nyinyini bi ba be ministers bi ba be president
obekọ eja omo
obekọ na nso abeye nana na wo mo ma abefre wo nana
se ne nde
na wo wawu ko na mo fre o ye nana o ko na anu nti wo nso so wo ka bi e hire wo mo be ye bi ma wo a
Unya mfonso bi ati sana enne nchirima na wo omo na eye mo se
ba kai wo no mo so abo di ni se
na enti se ye kase nananu madaroma ejanu madaroma mi hu se anka eye fe enye pambone
o mi se anka o kan se bruni na nka wo hira na se for dia
anka ye welcome
wo nua bibi ni uni problem
eye welcome ba wo nana
o ye omoja anti o anya nkwati ase no o kanfo na bibi ni nso
wow
omo na omi dim obi ani de omo je omo yes ade
that's right
nanu ye di nkomo
e no kwenana
afa awo ene ahofesu a ede awo
right
enam
that's right
eda ye wo ahofesu a ene da ye wo no eko ahofesu a ene bosom ye wo mu no eko ene ye ma ihunu se adwadafo Monday omo bosom ahofesu no ye fita
fufuo
na omo da ye dwada Monday
that's right
na omo no zodiac me friend cancer na shansun eye kotomienu ena ye ma omo hunu se omo ye nkrofo a mokokoko die mwa wo
that's right
emujanam enyema wo se obewi mujanam agise de yakọ
okay
ana yanwa na yasan yache na moja ko no afiri
okay
aha
sena ya nkramofo ne ye no aboa no ye de ne sen ho ma ni hunsuo ne na di na
twefiri no ye twa ye ne sane san bia be one full day
ada ne no de mo nkasa ya bosonso say eku aboa no na ye ne sa na ye kasa but wo ko abrochie a yetimi ku aboa no na ye na sen ho wo be ko ebi a park bia na say e bi restaurant bi na ye wan na ye ho na ye nwa for to ewi eno na nya bosonso ba wo ga na ha ya bosonso ada na broni ya ya bosonso enya bosonso na bibini ya ye bosonso
on setem bia me kase ko broni akwa na ya abroni obedi abro no
mesra wo kodwantwi ni nwum bi na akwa no ma hwehwema ma mesra akwa no ma mesra hwehwema ma papa
akwa no ma dia san ye
that's right
kwasi broni ma dia san
ye that's right
akwa obroni no ma dia san bi
that's right
enti ade achi ye 21st century but still be need that so ti sum mako ena omote han mu na wa ye bibini a ote han mu no wo so pese onua na bibifo ba sa han ni mu bia wa onua na bibifo no anta wo ani wantem anto unro empera nko antwene a boroni na ba hwehwe tira kwa bekum oba so oba fo onua bibini so na bekum
senia
sane te wa bakwase
mo ye na bakwase ma mo ye na
Patrice Lumumba omokum
Gaddafi
omokum
Nkrumah ye poison no
omokum
bebre uncountable
tese Burkina Faso
yes
sane te
that's right
enti no se bibini ehuna de ebeboa ono na braba na se enye kwasi buroni na e ka
kire no kwan na
ya Dabi onyintum agise broni
wow
because sana broni be ye na nanamu adwen
right nana ho na nkomo na de ye be sheda ba ho
enti adwada for
ye recap ho we did last
ye ma mo hunu se
yeah
o da
yeah
wa abia o de be hye wo ho ada
su se wo de da
e o se fita
right
ana se silver color ana se ash mpo eye
wow
so ye adwada ni na wo sa ye cancer bone cancer bone e kire mu se free 23rd 24th June edibesi 21st 22nd July
that's right
cancer period
wow
nti ye kire se se we cancer burner o da o se ash silver or white color na ye ade a wo de da ana mpo wo mpa kra wo da so no sumie o bed sheet no e o se ye white ana silver or ash
ana best spread no o se ye right
and ye kire se wo mo ne emprofo a o mo ta wo problem with ulcer
that's true
especially se o mo follow o mo didie
na ye no kra na
me na kire se o mo didie no ensan no odene so nyema wo
nyema yen
ana carbonated drinks
that's right
it contain orange and lemon and lime and nyema wo so obenom drink any natural fruit juice na onsen fruit na ne didie no vegetables and leaves and no so
that's right
e ba sa dia ne yemu no be free onya ulcer or stomach cancer and problems there
right
omo so yem profile tire say omo tanya abdomen problem
right now yenwie yenkomo twetwe na manfo so request say sa nkomo yi eyo modanti yenkoso na yentoa so nti ene so ehifa ene ye defa
me pa cho answer na no na me fa message we ento ho yenhwa de wo twesem Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 16 and 17 edin kan ma mencha Judah for hene wati adwa so say
right
na adwa ne din edi sikadwa kofi
Judah hene e wo Israel mamu because we say Ghana for the pe abonte so for asem bibrim ha
Judah for hene wati Judah adwa so say
e wo Ghana ha
yo tikokoso
that's right
opem so na won kwaso keje mu am
na sikadwa kofi we sikadwa kofi
schedule
wow
ono ne Judah hina say o ti adwa so
that's right
na ono so na nam no so ebe ma abibifo
yenye famudi that's right
na Judah hinie no yakopon hini na o de share Judah fo ne Israel musuakio du mienu ne bono abem
na wo kan sam say amfa utimi be ade o bottom na sembe na o kan sa no
ye bobo so na beduru ho
right
so topic e treat ni doso
that's right
foundation we ne pesi ye lay
right
ye lay wi na fe ya ties mu ye koye ni
right
o say litrasem o say Judah reject the Lord's way Judah for epo ewurade ekwan
that's right
okay o say this is what the Lord says stop at the crossroads o kan ne say Bible na so di follow me sign crossroads na say
okay
crossroads no dey be twi ya say nkwantanan mo
eno ne 4 elements there no
mo
okay
4 junction representing the 4 elements
junction okay
o see begina the center of the 4 elements
and then on some can right
o see stop at the crossroads
right
and look around ask for the old godly way
right
and walk in it travel its path
nana I think
and you will find rest for your souls
right nti enchemu
man can verse 17 you see
right
verse 17 I say but you reply no that's not the road we want
yes akwan no na yehwehwe
verse 17 I posted watchmen over you who said listen for the sound of the alarm
okay
but you replied no we won't pay attention
aso na ye den ana se den
wo twede mponyankopon awurade konkono ya Yahweh Israel na mo frɛ ne Yahweh ne se monko gyina nkwantanan so na monto mani nhwɛ mo ho nhia na monhwehwɛ tete akwantempɔn no na monfa so na mobɛnya ahome ama mo kra mo se
bi right nana menya enwum no yenhwɛ na yento aso fi hɔ ankwanoma MCA minim sɛ obeye ho adwuma ma me a ana sɛ wo nya wo hɔ no ma akwanoma ade asamma emre enhyɛda ni afa but we have to do this I'll say me network no person or din sem fon kakranti minim sɛ wo benya wo hɔ no ma yanko anuma I've had it here right now yanko yes oh the way they am farm back so by say sound e ba ha don't worry thank you so much
Nyankopon wo so no ono se hwehwe tete akwantempon no
tete akwantempon no na ye den
na fa so
na ye den
na obenya home ama okra wo se da bi nipa no se da bi akanfo se da bi asantifo se da bi Ghana fo se da bi ko braki se da bi ope broni kwan ope na ni ji broni kwan ofa so som abode ho som Nyankopon se no no ne kwan a Nyankopon de ma
ade ama no wow
broni kranku bibi ni kranku
that's right
broni ni DNA strands eye 6 bibi ni DNA strands eye 9
that's right
wo ana wo melanated being wo na wo ye tuntum a wo fasuo na ete se wo ba ade wo DNA no na ho ode ni tumi ewo ne wo soro sene kwasi broni
eno ntina broni ntimi nya rasta no
da bi da onti
ko bibini broni be rasta yi so ne bibini enya anafe
na wo a ne ba na timi enya bibini melanin ni bi ansana watimi ayet said bibini timi ye ni
ene se nyame ye bibini ana ma se na ma foka
oh se na kan no me previous video say ya wa dinkrashan so bi e fa ni nyame biri bi osoro ana me kire mu say nyame biri bi
right
ne mu ye nyame biri ya twi ya ka biri a ade biri a ya ka brisi tuntum
okay
ya si biri chi ambo
okay
na sa asem wasi me nipa nyina she tuntum ya de ne nam ho ya so abo brisi na so ye nipa o ye tuntum pa
that's right
but he said that say isi jasoto
wow
nti ye kan say nyame biri bi osoro say nyame na ye som na ye ni abre ne Nyankopon twe bi ampon no ya na ye ni abre na ye ko no ntokwa etwa ye ho sekan etu ye ho atuo say ye na ye nyame no ye na o se ye ni wi aseso ye na ye se ye nkum nipa ye de ye kum nipa ye di ben oye tuntum
and until I'm say black is power
and no say hwehwe kwantempon no kogina kwantempon no so
that's right
kogina nkwantanan no so come into the center of the four elements Mfanama eja ensuo asase begina ntimfini na fa etwa wani ehwe saa element 9 no hwehwe mu de ye wo a wo hwa mi wo de wo ye nsuo abosu ana wo ye ja ana wo ye asase ana wo ye mfanama hwehwe wo kwan ne fa so na wo benya ahomia ma wo kra
right nana I think say ye ache wo honum ye na yembonra endede no na ye chire
na ye hwe brother phones no
that's right brother phones no
ene omoda ye wo no
right
ene die di wo mo so
right
before ne hwe ade e wo ene 23rd year we
ene 23rd year
so ye 23rd we ya ye wo Leo zodiac sign
right
ene 23rd year na ye wurem
okay
ye hwe Leo na shansun eye jata Juda mo busuakio mu jata
Juda
bosumi ne ye wurem
okay
anunti akane no saa bosumi we dura wo a wo ye bosumi we emufo no why wo 23rd July 24th July adequacy 1st August adequacy 22nd August
right
wo ye Leo wo ye zodiac sign a wa shansun no eye jata
right
very good saa bosumi we ene ewremu a wo ye nipa ye wo saa bosumi we mu no wo ye aponche amamre odi ja
okay
ene yes amamre
right
ema awia no ema chi adu ampon kwame a wo awia na chi
okay
na wo ma ne yen yeti awia yase
that's right
na awia no ma ye energy
that's right
na awia no ema ye life
that's right
very good so wo ye ntu nchen ya sa bosumi we why wo sa bosumi we no wa anye sa akwancha na sa amamre we bia na sa ceremony we bia e wo sa wo pe enwusra srango nkotwa no be se maako be se nwotwe
na ye de
8 bottles of oil
okay
sa eye olive oil
okay
sa ye palm oil
okay
say ya palm kernel oil.
Okay.
Say ya shea butter oil. I was say open bottles be 8. Na sa abosunu ya yewre mu. Upe pot and asa uboja funuma.
Boja frama.
Na tembia anodro ana machibia no. Odi to abaako. Egu jenim na edare na tukosoro.
Okay.
E your ritual say we Leo Bona.
I don't know. I was say we see any buffer also. And I say we didn't change. Na say bugu efa also.
Na ejanu connecting soul no spirit.
Okay. Amount the energy.
Because sun no, any Leo no, zodiac no, the element is fire.
Fire.
So the nana make us say Aries. And the Benada. Or mono air fire no sana Leo. We on the free was Sagittarius no see a fire element.
Right. Now we who hire ubi dying now we will say if you ever say who better to no feel if you oh yeah was some name.
And yet Kumasi Hankwana na winchi.
Okay.
O papa o kwa yebia ko kwa yemu ho peka ko
na ko ye
na ko ye wa de.
Okay.
Wo asase bia ye do afo bi wo so a ye wo na wo fa bi dia. Pendansa na ko ho ne ko di se adwuma no.
Okay.
Na o chukwa na ba ko di ne wa ko di. Because ye na nam ne duru be bia no mu tubata ko akurase ko kwa yemu.
Ko ye o money. That's right.
No asan ba kurum.
That's right.
Na bibia emu.
So oba na say e jane edin na.
Jane tinanimu ta na chi.
Favor neighbor, sika neighbor, human possibly right.
So one to me and your oil will be a more eduham. Young idea be all Matthew. Young idea be all Matthew.
Right.
Matthew chapter 2.
Matthew chapter 2.
Verse 9, 10, 11 to 12.
Me
born the
11 to 12. Okay.
The tintin in say.
Right.
Ebra ya wo agenkwa ya Hoshua no. Anyansafo bi di nsoma ma achi. Ensoma no ne ka ho asem no.
Right, nsoma no.
Bible say they saw the star of the Messiah.
That's right.
Sankrofo ne from the Magi.
The Magi.
Utwa ni udi twaso the magicians.
Okay.
From the east. From Frepo from. Omo abene Bible na di omo adan se na omo wonim die wo ewiem. And then Solomon abodium and Shimuni Munyansapim. They were astrologers. I mean, Janitia.
Okay.
Omuhu and Solomon, Omudi and Solomanachi, Baya Bedu Yahu Yahusha Mashaka Ajanquano. Now, Barbara said, Omobaya na ye. Omoba Chano, Korobo. Omoba Chano, a shed eduham, and Omba is Kapoko Futuru. Okay, Osako Luke chapter 2, verse 20 to 22. I want to Omode Maria and Nikunu Joseph, Eddie Yeshua call a sort of fears of penny in the Bayer. Or say, Sadia, a radin bratiano.
Send you radin bratiano.
Omode Ajen Cuckoo. Anasa Abrono Mamma. Eddie mine. I'm yet the year about friendly Trisu Amamre. Right. Ebesina Menoka say. Obi a wo Israel no nim Italians ni Europeans lifestyle bia no
amuguso
wo a wo di akra ne ko cathedral
na
father ebe shira akra na saa die we ye je
na ye dia ye
amamre ma akra ne tiri.
Wow.
But omo na di Christo so mbre o Africa
say dia wo die na wo ye wo nananom di ja
wo yes ye die na ye no
enye
yes ye nti ye nye ema nkwala no nti ne nkwala na bra bo nyina agba pansa.
Wow.
And then 15, 14, 15, 16 years in my yard, and I didn't show more than I want to. Woman didn't penny for more than 50, 40, 60 nature and
a spirit in Abetram one.
If you don't grandson could have powers, yeah, only papa or 40, 35, 60 years, there we are not papa and bear mail.
Now, or Genesis,
some crowd women answer, you could dedicate you more, sorry there. Some crowd women answer, you will fans. Some
colonial so. Ena amukọ ndro so sheda kwa genie ma bidi ya omo se be ya one
happened.
That's right.
Okay,
yanko ye no mai.
Enu nti se wa anye appointed de no.
Yes.
Wa anye srango de no. E wa se wo pe saa de we bi. Sika kokọ, sika futuru. Na wo pe e hye duhwam.
Right.
Na wo pe krobo. Na no so pe kokọ ta na se wo boja funuma. Jafruma. Na o ka wonsam no aseda no aye nsam guso. Na o ka de wo hia guso.
Right.
Na 8 continuous days.
That's right.
Wo digu jem ida sa no po say nwumro sa machi o. Sa for continuous 8 days.
Wow.
Minim papa panyimfo ne asofo panyimfo a ebinim ye 23rd July born. Ebinim ye 24th. Ebinim ye 8th August. Me hu pa sa energy we jata no energy ni di omo achi. Eja ne mframa edi omo hu di omo nifa. Enso sa ma mele we na omo nye nti no. Ba bi omo pese omo wura spiritually ewo omo sofu diem expansion omo pese omo nya ewo omo membership na omo crowd omo pese omo kuli mu
ene mpeja wo se ba omo
mpeja wo se omo timi nya no entimi mma
wow
but na nesi kedwa me ye den ko ka kire so for ye panyini saa
ha onim de
no onim de so papa die di wachi ni
say that's right
na ni niema we na wo se wo ye asem beba because doctrines ne dogma ye dia ma no from the nkolabere mu a odi akọ Bible school about degree about masters about PhD in theology no ene sa asem we emfa
ebo ebira
wo de ne ko bonsam kam wo de ne ko ra asamado wo de ne ko ma Lucifer wo ye wo de ne ra occultism entina matwa so but Bible no na e kan enti se occultism dia ne na ye Bible nim na wo because omo de sa ne ma we amamere ma
agenkwa no
ebesi ne nso omo da so ye
amenu mienu nso de ho adanse da bia yi ewo TV so man kwala nketenkete ehwe wo TV so se ye wo Yesu agenkwa na maye na
enyansafo biensa de ne ma akwache no
say okwache no
ema omo de bigu je mu se
that's right
ye de ne kwa sorry tie me yakọ de agege nkuku ni mmoro no makọ twa ni tiri so ko pa musuo ni asan bi okosere grace ni favor ma enu nti Bible say Yahushua Mashiach onyini wo nyame ani so ni nyame ani mu adom ni nipa ani so ni nipa ani mu adom mu
na Yeshua
he grew up in the favor and the grace of God and the people around him.
And this thing also happening in Africa a bibre mu ha na saa anyansanfo miensa no ekohia Yeshua no eno so esi wa a bibre mu ha but I say yeah na ye di ni akoka Israel no ho a Israel new Israel and old Israel
new Israel ho ya Netanyahu ni Palestine ni Iran for control new Israel no mo ye fake
na ye a bibre mu ha no
black Africa from Egypt down to Ghana highway
from Egypt
to
Mali,
Sudan, to
Burkina,
Niger to Nigeria to
Ghana, Cape Coast,
the old
Israelites. Wow.
Yeah, kingdom, the kingdom of Judah. Wow. Go and check world map. The oldest world map and inscribe the kingdom of Judah. Say, kingdom of Judah, West Africa.
That's right.
And it is the Ashantis and the Akantis.
And Ghana Hanso Tema and history actually say the middle of the world.
Very good.
Pillars, 7 pillars, no. I think say Ghana will say 1 and
Ghana will move
2. Right. I think say emre kwane ko. Nti yenhwe baby a
Benada for me boy. Benada omo planet Mars. Omo zodiac sign Aries. Archangel really planet we Kamai. And I said Samai. And I said Sameko. Very good.
Right.
Ono na uba yen California Santifo ahonhom ne omusuma adom di djuma ye frɛ no adanse bonsam ontu nyankopɔn ti asefo ne mra na onfa wo hu nida he will come after you se bonsam afidie eyiwa na kyerɛ wato nyankopɔn na so ba ade mra
wow
you will be punished.
That's right.
Sa planet we ye frɛ omo the planet of blood omo color red.
Wow.
So our planet we have seen a really Scorpio color and so your pink.
Right.
Until Bibia ya wo under Scorpio. O day a Tuesday. O planet you really a Mars. So o ya be man o your banner was a day we say ya wo da ben say ya wo zodiac sign ben moment a we Tuesday nkwa. it is required of you said.
Right.
Abrabo no sha ase a enema ebe start akototin.
Right.
But unya close 25 kona kwesi 45 wa. Ye wa mamra ni amanye bi wa say we masa planet we need the god of this planet.
Okay.
Na we sadie we ma the god of this zodiac.
That's right.
And the archangel of this zodiac
right.
and this day.
Right.
So when ya afi energy start to say down worker.
Wow.
That means retrogression has started abo abrabom.
Wow.
Enti niema wanya no abrabom ni wiase nyina no. Na I started to
konechi.
Na abrabom na started is nitrasi.
Wow.
So planet way and zodiac way omo retrogression chewu nipa no abrabom a. It means still mu to say the electric acho. And answer waso ade emu oduna adie si wo mu no. Okon ene wo achiri kase no sisi. Na I started air twist na air bend. Sa planet way sa retrogression e chewa o kidney no lungs and first started affected.
Attacking no.
And sana about heart.
Wow.
Sa planet way say unye oba wo ye bema na di 30 years going na. At least I was say benada bia o ma garlic ne wo. Eben
garlic ne wo.
Ida say obetwitwa garlic na gu wo motem na de wo na fra na wa no.
Right.
And also obetwitwa nkiti na wa re na wa hwie wo na gu onum na wa men.
Amene. Okay.
So wo free 30 elko no. O 40 elko no. Wo feli so be sa na ma we ya. Wa poso wo 19 o kotodwe o sisi o chirika say o kidney o lungs start to say affected.
Wow.
And found only how good you eat.
That's right.
Some planet way uwo mu bi sa day way uwo mu bia ade a asikyire nuane pa nhye da nyema.
Wow.
Drinks doko enyema milk
enyema
sa ne man nyema mojanam na nhye da nyema to winam ayatoto se oberi mojanam a
na say ne kojo Monday for the no ayepe similar.
We mojanam no very already atoto but se nka betimi agya na ntwie aponche no me wi anka bebo na ne akokọ no pe de atoto anase de yache mostly no leaves any vegetables any fruit
any waduane
especially in Nigeria.
Wow.
So ye bibini na ya kan na se ye wo Tuesday nnuane a yache nnuane a yatoton
mani die nye kokko ayire nchiwie
mani die nye ode eya tadi fruit ebenada bia eya ma ade kokko emra wo.
So what about vibration? Does it have any link to your body system? No, edu
sa niema we ni ahofasuo kokko ya America nyina no se eduru Tuesday na sa niema no wo ho a enema ha wo abraba onu ni padua mu se e wo ho na o focus on enema ha no se emfiri ho nkwa by just putting the red cloth on your body no emu 70% we jana kwan.
Wow.
Energetically, vibrationally,
spiritually
echo unya bi sa niema no ba wo ho na e connect wo energy no vibration ni to o element o fire element in direct.
Now how about ahaban hodo ebi a ebe dware
se we Tuesday born and also we Aries born enema e o se benada e ta be o na odi ye o ho aduru na odi dware pa na odi bituatua eye nunum akekaduru garlic kafa we obi a we Tuesday born and now we say Aries born
okay
Tuesday bia na try say woni matua obetua akekaduru ni nunum ha
right
se untimi a noa never garlic tum no
okay
anasa udi nyenya ani pepper ebe kan nunum no no
nyenya pepper ni nunum right
okay tanfa nunum ani nyenya any rose water and a rose oil and a rose incense and a rosemary don't find it in
right
tanfa she nsuo ne fa dware Tuesdays
right. Aside that, no, many a times, no.
Tuesday for also say Tuesday be a dra e ya ta pe awio ni atoko
right
na toma amwani no ma nkokọ mro no mamubro akwa do bi Tuesday be a
na also
and Fridays
also that now who say nkokọ na mbro no ma wo mama aduane dia what does it mean?
Your time is up for divine blessings.
Wow.
Per awio ni atoko amwabro bomba e kan dia omu aguso ta topeti ma nkokọ ni mbro no ma ni mbro wow akwa do bi pete no mes send nko
eno ne ewo ene 4 element no twaka e wo se wo koye no 4 junction so ana ba bia
4 junction 2 junction 3 ufie mpoma chi u gate ano
wow
ba bia wetimi ato apeti di hen se wato apeti am wedi
wow
nkotre no e be se di uni how
wow
ade a wasere no ebeba
right emre na kwa nkasa na meka se wo hwe ya obo mo na wa hye dwumadi no ama afoforo so anya bi ahwe na amanya dwumadi no mfa so fa na wo ma ye hu ba bi a wo wo Ghana wo abrochi fa na wo sabe good evening wo Ghana ba bi a wo so sen ma utimpo wadwimpo embra na nkomo na edi no so ma wadwe no utimpo no embra na yetimi enkenkan fa ma na mbo bi wo ho ebetimi dia bo na nana sikadwa the sea one of the finest on far mwa anase on far anuyi emfa ma ba bibia wo na also ho ento then abanchiro then echichiro huhumu hunamani me say frɛ 0256 998352 0256 998352 na nana sikadwa be yiwa no kwan so nana ehfa biom na ye fa
afi ye he ukuada Wednesday bonds bana drada for no say local name for God in this one L and I say L Ade
okay
chia
Ade chia
you can El Shaddai Chaya but L Ade chia
wow
ewe akan
related
achim or akapim related
okay
very good Tuesday nso ye nyame kwabrane wo de ba ye typical local account setup name for the gods na tano kwabna drada no so ye tano jomo anase tano kwadwo anase tano fodwo afi ukuada no Elohim Gibo Onyamin Monyam Shefo what they buy a local name for the gods na Kuru Nyam Kupon Kuru
Nam
Ejina na no omudi Kuru da perku
wow Kuru da perku
da
pa ne da ben
your brother da pa Kuru da pa and yo memene da pa
wow
enunti we are Wednesday born zodiacally no your friend say we Gemini and Virgo
okay
omumi oni na control Wednesday no
right
planet now edi so no Mercury
right
kuru ene di saada na so
right
saada we nyansa ne nimde ni hunu mu ene kasa nyansa ene anotie omo fa ne kwa
right
saada we omo ewom saada we nso omo ye natural healers
be
it spiritual healing or physical healing omo saada ye expert omo to say Canada for omo saada be ye expert in medical and laboratory matters
right
surgeons omo bin pa we as ndodo na omo ye Tuesday and Wednesday bonds
right
the bas ye pa oni pedua na yenyi yale film na omo nto na ensan kantwe na ekuro ni mu prepepa omo ye good power one also say expert business and commerce
right
Wednesday for
right
okay so Wednesday for no so ade a bo a mo pa ne say ukuada obedi apple and anka
apple na anka right
ukuada obeta de anka atwade nso so adware so obetwa mi na de asesra hu nyina no adware o so odi be hye nsuo
anka atwade
na de adware o spiritually and physically eboa ukuada for
wow
afi ukuadafo ade baako a esan ema omo ahode no makom de sipi pa ye board especially apem omo tadi apem board ye Wednesdays a
wow
ema omo calcium and you can say marrow bone effects bia if you omo ko
wow
ema omo ya strong pa some omo ya very grounded ukuadafo no ema no ye nkrofo a omo tadi nkumbu ni nhwamodie ta ha omo wa awalem ne mpanatwem ukuadafo
wow
a bawariye relationship for both man and man omo tai enya unstable relationship ni unstable marriages ukuadafo mba ye mba omo ni mba kuo ni nyina days ni omo ne mba omo adwene eshekipa
okay
omo adwene ta shekipa they have problem with stable mindsets
right
and you say when oba oye ukuada de ti na mo ware a time bia nya abotre ma ne pa because one decision there the next moment na adwene be sense
wow
good decision china the next day na adwene betimi adana one ne kwa problem bia ma obetimi atuna adwene nwa ma see say ono wa asem because of mercury influence.
Is it connected to the I can say coded in church and also can decode and nipa ne device as so and I say no dey fan one
effect ya Gemini ne Virgo na omo e was Wednesday then no omo de ma omo e wo omo was that
okay
and until say o pese we use effect ni free wa most of the times no e was o tap and ka twade na utwitwa e sra wo nyina san no dware and I say o de she nsu na o ta de dware e ba sa na o break sa negative retrogression effect
right
if you wadwene so
okay
and na o tare apple and na o di anka no on Wednesdays na o tare di sa apem na ma o sa energy no vibrationally e ma o timi connect to o calmness
okay
and o peace of mind and o focus and o concentration e ma wadwene no ye fine all the time
okay
so my decision bia no you stay to and you stay by it and you move with it
you take a positive decision
yes
right
sa Wednesday for we mo so omo ye nkrofo a se omo tu kwan na se omo anya botre anya amamre pa emu odine ofie a omo ta akobere wa kwantu
wow
because mercury epiepie omo tutu kwan anyhow but omo pa omo ta akoloki wa kwantu
omo nya how eno no enye omo pe na amode kone mo ma se bibi na
omo who something flashy about akwantu
no
obetu kwan na wakoduru ho no na the opposite
wow
and so your Wednesday bomb na wo tu kwan nya botre tinase na bomb pa ye wakwantu no ho adwuma yi
ansana
pe nimdifo na pe hunhun pe de hunufo no mo hwa ade no ma wi say o planet no Mercury na air trickle na odo akohye sa o haw ni mu a
so ko ware so e
o ko ware nya botre na yenhwe mu yie ma anya sa obetimi du sika nyina akohwe oba na wa ware no ade no dey no obefo ojapade no bra wa bra ma ni nyina de akwa akoma kwasampanyi ni
wow
no on saba be si from no asamba back to square one o yo ba so asa Wednesday for ma eta wuja omukunu no
wow
nso ye Wednesday oba nnese o ware a hwehwemu yele hunu be ma no se ne energy no ebetimi akova na protective na sustain your life
right
because Wednesdays ma through mysterious ways emomutimi wu ntentem eje omukunu ne nkora
Wednesdays ma wow now ohwe ya na obomodin ya na wa hye dwumede no kwaso nkoso ama afofo enya ho emfaso eye abrabo akwantu dwumede ena ede bro Sundays and Wednesdays etena sisi ya na sia na nasikadwa a wadro esuko honhom ni honamu eba no yade anase whatever spiritual no na eni na tena se na de obo ade ne yawe no ade ama no na oni ya ache comments bebree na eba afen so amanfo ebisa nsem mepe say won so a wo hwe yon so wo bebisa wo de na wo de wo chi akwan so ade aba na ye hu na akanka de ma kwan so obi say mimi say wo say that's Tuesday, right? Wednesday no almost some color and they modrian and so and what's something to say.
So Wednesday bon o color e be kind. Green. Yeah.
Okay.
O color tosumi ash. O color tosumi ensa off pink. And most of the times and so light yellow and so the fourth color for this planet.
Wow. Light yellow, green, ash and a light and a off pink and a light yellow. Right. And I'm a also.
Adriania Wednesday for your mom you can apim. And a bayre. Whatever type of bayre be yam. So be fufu, so be dinner pesu, so be any two. Maintain pesi, maintain to ogo. Omunteli.
Sir.
Ogo. Neman guguna a spring roll ni guguna a pear can.
Okay.
Katia guso. Moko green kakra guso. A muka crafra. A yama omupa.
Wow.
And a body a pentity. And a bayre. A so bayre, a habayre. Cocoas bayre, Kuna.
Then the cocoas by any video. And I will hope you'll be
only born.
Right.
Sani anyway, and Yania Yama Wampa. And a Diania a friend Coco. Say a real coco. Say a molly coco. I am Wampa Coco. Wednesdays for tea. A brown tea. I did suddenly to say a Milo said you and shut down Yama warm.
Tea no.
Tea Yama warm.
Okay, say a coffee, say a day.
Coffee crowd warm.
Okay.
But lifting it tea. And shut down a Yama warm.
Right.
But cocoa, Molly cocoa, Pampa, cocoa.
Right.
A pele cocoa. Emma Wednesday for the pa.
Right.
Thursdays. Omo zodiac sign here Sagittarius. Omo planet near Jupiter. Nyankopon dia ruli Saturday near ono ankasa twetwe mucho no. Ya. Tine friend ya da. Wow.
Ya Jamaica focus ana.
Ya Rastafari. So Jamaican so many I can for
before.
And yet before the cake.
I'm a can for.
I can for Kwano Mugu Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yamiaka. And I Jamaica. And the Casanenti and I say a trend in rain Yamre.
I said Damre Yaka.
And that means Jamayaka, and I say, ye Baha, ye dear Beshahan, Jamayaka. Because you've been there for some years. I want to mean some Babachi. I feel no mobile because I never say a lot of them. If in America for do na, a warm or do na ever.
But yes, I'm paying for near him for almost ready and prepared so but they all want to come. And they will come in numbers as the years go.
Sure. And can the Papa Moon say no, Saka, you walk on one way, you said that a year, and can Mimi de say, I was shanty region, and I say, all the regions. Say, almost maybe I have a new extreme, if it will be Eastern region, if it will be
Ashanti, Bono. Angna
and Antina, Emma, who call Yamaka Hona, Jamayaka Hona, Omokachi, Omkasa, take us our honor.
Obi has only Bogan and Nim Ghana, but your country.
Right.
It took an history now, who say, oh, okay, send your hand if you buy. It's the Thursday for Mother. Ya, Nankasa,
right.
Okay. One first you, yellow, a cocoa srad. aduane eboa wo mo pa aye emu eburo
sure
atoko awiyo enuane bia ebo wo soro eye ma wo mo
right
anka kwadu bode abrobe sa nuaba ni nyina eye ma ya wadafo
right
enuane a ebo asase ase enso da nyema wo
aduane ya asase ase
te se ba ire ni menkin eye ma okuadafo ba sa nuane na ebo hyefom na watu no enso da nyema wo nkate no nsa enso da nyema wo mo nso so enam a enyema wo kra ne ntwina but omo so pet omo so pa no mpe ne ntwina
wow I say kodofo omo so mpe de omo mpe no eno na atade omo mpe no
atade tuntum omo mpe no so na bo
wow
ya wadafo e ntofo omo ni je color blue and color red pupa but omo color pa ebo omo any yellow akokosrade ana apart from say omo mfesu akokosrade no ade a time wo mo enya good health pa any say omo bedi kwadu ewo die friend yawada na say omo bedi kokko
kwadu anakoko
abre say wachi say watotun say wanoa omo di ni yawada etabo omo pa
wow
ana emu aduane bi say amam jollof ade hian say yam
okay
omo tadi ni yawada ebo omo pa ebo omo health pa eni eburu aduane
right
yawada for ye enko
Anita Perry will share on Facebook will say God bless you reverend we see on your reverend by the way general overseer oda Elohim Kingdom Temple ye chira kwan ewo Meduma na say Meduma Aba Junction and Mampontin Gas Junction with me for number no 0256998352 now friend na sipedwa na nkomo bia wo bia won na twetwe na ento aso
Thursday for no emema no ye enkrofo a omo taawo pa but say omo anye ka so a omo timi wo spread intimi nkonteni oba ba kwa na say maami no
wow
intimi trako maami nsama na emanum
na minimo bia oye kwa Monday ne papa eware mienu owo ha ba ni ba enso edikan we na 1 2 hours enso na wanja ya san ko ware obi foforo wasan wawo ha san be wo ha eno so what does it mean eye bloodline na aware mienu na se de
enipa no bia o Monday born but the person was born under Sagittarius
okay
Sagittarius for no eba aware pa na omu fie no kwa animu a na omu timi na oba ba kutimi wale kwa wie but from omu 18 years na omu starting hunu ma pe no the kwesi omu 40 45 normally ya na omu are tiny stable na nimra no so no ma be 3 hour no be 35 years
wow na eno no is it say papa no worry mami no oya ba ko ho ade wanye ba ko ho ade ena we ena we so first one wanye no ho ade ena second one wa be no ho ade
nti papa no we na
the bloodline na
we na apeke bloodline
is it coded like we keep saying
we are den papa no we ba ko be fa say the edin kaka
ena some for
ade bi e wo pa no we ja no bia no so wo tu kra ba ko be fa
okay
e be fa bi
okay
wo tan a mienu miensa be fa bi enti sanity
papa no man nyina so papa no o smoky kakra but papa no nyina so ba ko afa
smoking very good sir
wow
where the emoji
wow a lot of people are watching we plead on you to make sure you share the video for us wherever you find yourself likes no endorse by comments no extra and so just comment listen to what Sia is talking about he's saying and make sure you come out with your opinion. Do you agree with some of what we are saying here? Do you disagree with some of what we are saying? Just bring the comments. See how pay conversation. What you say? Maybe say what's in Bissan here? Now, a woman church and so a two beers.
You won't just
bring it on board. Bring it on board so that we share with others. Make sure you contact Sia on 0256998352 0256998352. And you move on. I'm ready. I answer.
Most of the times,
right? Now,
I'm
now come Monday as a Monday, no, so I'm we saying.
Monday for the set and the country,
but it makes me struggle. At least stage.
Intimate quantity to a water element, sit down the kind. So, right,
we will be beside our hunting and maybe
Monday for the door now, I am almost slow in Sue, but on one body, no more boss in Sue in Sue. Into some time, and I've been a Matthias here. Or Munky because would the old die, Monday, old die, a glass of water, first to be a tico. Oh, down the upper vampire, just imagine how beautiful and how blessed you want your life to be over the glass of water. No first to be a tico or one punch and I won't pass it. The part dear Catasso come. Are dear Chia, can ya, then your book wants to send you okay, you have them for people who will win the Aka. Wow, just watch your life. Go there, yes, I have 3 months.
The okay, me who Monday for
almost
so. Pay but I do be a pay.
On Namnese, who says you grad down or factory so.
And at the same time, the woman so are who Dario Modi so come on, almost so science or the Susa. Wow.
And your mom disconnect your move from a motor element and how much on bar and you jump. Wow. But a mom will embrace the water nature. And so much. Wow. David, Monday morning, so much.
Right. And it's a very say, God bless you, Reverend. And I feel so, wow. And DK, yes, DK. Say, please, what about Monday bonds? DK, what about Monday bonds? I can't go to YouTube and I said Facebook follow you. Who come about Mondays? I think last week Sunday, yeah, no. And go there, you find the Mondays. And if you have any question, what about Monday bonds? I think say and you pay bisa ebia modidi e mo abrabo mo shebre mo sika sem financial status na etiseng, then I think Sia will help you so that baby I will say it to Ned at all pepe. I think so Margaret Nyameche Taku or say knowledge is indeed power to set us free. Okay, knowledge is indeed power to set us free. God bless you, Reverend.
Amen.
Thank you so much. I have many of them, but I think say Emrena be answer, but if I say bit me I can kind of mama. Nana, you to us so yanko yen.
Ya that for me yentem.
Wow.
Omuye di nso ne mudo. But say amamre kitty omamre na nche da anya dia so.
Right.
Amango kwadu. Ya wada. Omuntan tobi. Na udi kakra dia kan the Danyamias now the total form. Among Nicodu. Yawada for. Wow. I am named Kitty.
I'm always something saying a music as something.
Yawada for Sika, and I can we enter. Almost say, and your mom pa a mudo. Almost so going to the Omofanapa. Wow. Yawada for. So I want to come with ease. Or your bar, or your bearman. Yawada for mba. And we'll fed your Omofanapa. Wow. A man so named dear Pan Mudoni Yansa, or one of my judges, no lawyers, no magistrates. Wow. Or mono at Abaya kings, any presidents. No, Omobayan penny for human corporational leaders named Nadudona, no more. It has so a Sagittarius born and also a Thursday born. Or move me the positive changes every year as super. Wow. One more hour in American, so a man. So, one discover Montemwa, Yana, or Moawari, and rough 45 corner between a stable relationship. But Thursday for man, dear, and more Fapan, who be Tiana time or me, and Maswane, a much mocha, I say, I can some I say, what dear, I say, but it's not a spirit, it's your Thursday, no. Sagittarius, and the young son, energy, and more over confidence with their beauty and their attraction. Wow. And you say, oh, you better now worry Thursday born. I didn't make a common.
Okay.
Most of the times, now no more person or more so and then a year you know with you.
That's true. That's true. A movie that TV movie.
Or time be a person only detective for the house.
That's true.
So you better now only one young but 10 went in Timwan. There be a mobile, and yes, I saw a Montpellier as my warrior engineer.
Wow.
Now, nature.
A man almost something the same.
Thursdays for my Sempa ye dear pa, almost on the quack. One mono, I did Pia, listening to him now, didn't any business so persuade me. And the Jenny Buanaqua.
Wow.
So I am one middle, so I am one middle. And the Jenny Buanaqua, Nanyama Yemana, what does. One moment to say, question than the minute than the blanda for now. What old Tintima Dena, Mamma Muja, someone Kumwa, Ponchini, Yanim Kuko, and never be room. One funny man, room, Yama, home, the one, told no one young, just said, oh, Charlie Apple, IPC, Mummy Yanni, Mamma, I shall see how
about their belief, their faith in everything.
One dear, most of Thursdays now, I'm radicals. On one in time, whom somebody a summer a year from.
And how can some more? Wow.
Dia, need to be on back to him. So, Mobile National Mode National no development or Modiama Nipa freedom, any Nipa wealth and prosperity. And as a more, GDB believe we say they are over two and if he, Nana, and no one has a papa. They don't change their spiritual status anyhow.
Wow.
They don't easily get convinced.
So, what if say,
it's a dear Mumu say you feel. Or no, or she say, I will be power no day. I hear Jim or the Bible cinema movie winning. It's near the Takaton, so no ya before.
Wow.
Thursday once.
That I'm worried some so it's the same.
So when you worry or your band, when you worry, they are faithfulness, the Omofana.
Now, and the
or marry ya, that's all no, they are or show our journal yesterday, man. Or that's not for them for which. But I think so. Some father for which another man so who not was not for them for. Into obey him the member trade at the but Maria, but moment you obey dear or pen who said, we na me pen. That genuine in young son, a mudoman, and most of the time, so among they are not cheats, they don't cheat. And I said, so when you're worried, dear. No credit, loyalty, dear. Yeah, for the and they are born some man, no more I think so. Yeah. Now, hear me, I catch them some boy. No, why to say, if you have meaning, they are okay in that. Much was saying, own any means possible, be a division revenue, their support only if you and she will do it. They are mostly their pillar. Only a pillars. Even when Bemano, they will find all means to bring resources to the house and keep the house going. I mean, who ya power, impossible. I can't code no one. Blessings, energy, zodiac gods, planetary gods. I will control Sagittarius star or Madame. Any angels, some planetary or more archangel, Elohi Sadeki, the faithful and the gracious, merciful God. Right. That's the name. I think say, yeah. And until on my man, woman, faithful and always gracious, and they always have abundance of grace upon their life. Yani ya obie ni wa odumuna, uhune ni mbia say na, grace ni favor. Say ya ekowari juada. How is it like? Say ya ekowari juada. Next juada for no, and ya omutaira womo spirituality. Say juada ni nukuta spirituality ni msekimwa. Next ekowari ya be mana say ya ba ya wadaba. And so some of it. And so some of it. Because Monday energy no at the fear ye dear bantentem. Thursday no so at the ye dear Yahunya and in trim a bantentem. The Argentina or some most like I just said by spirituality no. Your form. Cutting it out. Wow. Wow, and then I be honest. And a room where you have. Question, they were if you are done it, men done a question. Nay, okay, zodiac bia 12 zodiacs no mo control the 12th month. Ya hwe obia so no ne flower e wo se wo ye wo sa month ni mu a unya flower ni bi wo dem ana se
wo fie
ana wo fie.
Wow. Nana, emena e be then how do you try to the amaye? I think say and then they want me to de papa. About ya no de ne o kan nya nsam ya ja me re ya anti de o kan nya minim de o kan na ni na de mo chodo nsam na de wa kan bi na I don't know then aka we tira o say ya the sorry so na sorry
me de da bia samba ko na America Asante for account for Ghana for Africa for Tintum for ye ni Hebrew for ye nyina ne ne Nyankopon de ya hye Yuda abusuakuyi no amayen Yuda hene a otwa to a Nyankopon be fa nso di fa ho de ama bibifo ne akanfo ni wiase ne otikoko so na se twa be bi
wow
mu me nyina ye mo mpa ye ma ye na ne ye nyina ye nsre adom ni nhira na nsumdwe ma no na ye nsre Awurade Nyankopon se o ma ye ntias ye ni hu na ye hu ye hu na ye nyina ye nsore na yemfa ahode ni nyansa ne hurumu ne han ne tumi ode ama ye enwura ye musua ni ye ntretene musua because musua no asai tinkola ifiri mu ba ni nyina no so esai na ye nhwehwe enkwanta no be bia ye kwanda
right
ye megina nkwanta no mfimfini ni ye ntu ye ni nhwe se ye nkwanta no eda atoye ana eda puye atifi ana anafo
right
ni emfaso ni nya ahome ma yekra ni de nipa nyina
wo cha kwan
o bi hwe me meduma udura bus junction na ofre mi a e ba be fa oni edo akọ bi a ye office oni edi nkomo
right
ye de be ko temple bi hia bi a no be gina ya ma ponten so gas junction u be duru gas junction ho na ofre mi a ye rock and school na ti wa ye be hwe wo na de hia bi a no so e no de nkomo wo WhatsApp so a the numbers may go on free. You chat to WhatsApp.
Right.
Now the person should be an issue.
No, the number is so much.
0559
0559
653
653
723
723
0559
0559
653 723
723
0256
0256
99 83 52
52
0256
0256
99 83 52
right na ha ena di dwumadi ne besi mo somfo nyame kase ena di dwumadi echi ame enda so biem e de abrabo akwanto dwumadi e ba wakwan mu emre ana aso mre na yebe enti e be sure se oba interview so na ba be hwa bomode asa obe share amaye na wo do comment opinion aba e san class bi ma e be bomode na yakenkan de ma fa na na me so na frɛ na dasende ana se kwesiada na
kwesiada
kwesiada be san e di ehia kwan sonko so me da wase